Alright, good morning. Back out on the line today. Pretty cool day. This is a mini Ultra stick I picked up at the Weatherford swap meet. Pretty good deal, 80 bucks on it. Can't really complain too much. I'll be coming out today on low, well, you know what, let's go to low rates. I was going to do mids, but we'll try it with lows to start with. We'll go with mid on that as well. Well, yeah, mid on that too. This is flying on a 3S 2200. Seemed to balance out okay. Let's give it a try. This has the skid on the back as opposed to tail wheel. Typically I don't like those for the way they ground handle, but here we go, coming out. Alright, gonna do some trimming on it. Almost didn't have to worry about trimming it. Not very responsive on the controls.
Too much X-way?
No. There's a fire department standing by for us. Alright, that's a little better. That's hands off right there. It's tracking pretty straight. Maybe a couple ticks of up. Alright, now she seems to be trimmed out okay. We've been flying this whole flight right around half throttle. Let's rip one here in front of us and see what kind of Cheerios is in the tank. Oh yeah, definitely with that low rate on the aileron, she is not real responsive. Let's go to mid on it and try that again. Oh yeah, it's much better. You want to try it, Jim? Let's get our...
I got shaky feeling fingers.
I do too. It's only like the 5th time I've flown this year, 5th or 6th.
No, it's the cold on me. There you go.
Still pretty low on the, still pretty slow on the roll. Let's see what kind of loop she's got.
Oh yeah. That's good.
Nice big loop. Let's go into the high rate on the ailerons just for giggles. We'll try one more pass and we'll give it a spin and see what kind of rate it's got. Now this is set up with a 6-channel receiver. So I got the ailerons on their own channels.
They don't make that 610 anymore, do they?
Yeah, she rolls pretty good with high rate.
Yeah, it did. It snapped just about. Yeah, I'd call that really good.
Alright, so I like the way she's flying. This will make a good little park flyer, I think.
Yeah.
It does high speed pretty well. Low speed is okay. I don't think the low speed is quite as good as my Super EZ, even though this one is a much lighter plane.
Yeah.
And I really anticipated a lot of bounce on the landing on this little landing gear. Let's give it a try here and see what she does. Oh, good.
You got it. You nailed it. That's perfect.
I can land like that.
It's his first flight at this one. You thought that would be awesome.
Is that Pete Becker?
Yes, sir. How you doing?
Good, sir. How you doing?
Good to see you.
Haven't seen you in a long time. Did you make it out to the Weatherford meet?
No, I did not.
Oh man, there was some good deals out there.
Well, I had cleaned my office out, which
Oh, your work
Yeah.
assignment over?
just about.
Well, you'll be out here every day now.
Just about.
Eh.
My wife has other plans for me, I'm sure, but
Tell her your plans don't start till 11 o'clock in the morning. You like sleeping in or doing what you want to do till then.
yeah, that's a good idea. She wants to get on the road traveling. But I told her,
Here's the keys, darling.
yeah. Well, she's in Florida now, so no, she knows I'm going to take that.
Well, as long as you have a room to throw you a park flyer in the car, who
Yes,
cares?
sir.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just something to put around in.
yeah.
There's fields all over the country. If you're going to buy a house in Florida, be sure you're close to a field.
That's one of the
You'll
main.
get one in an hour and a half away.
Are you moving to Florida?
Eventually, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, unfortunately, that's. I wish I could fly like that.
You will.
It's just.
Well, believe me, don't be careful what you wish for, because I wreck a crap load of them. Yeah, you can fly like me, Pete. All you got to do is be willing to auger it in once in a while. Or actually more than once in a while when I'm at the sticks. I have my very first flight of 2019, I piled in my P-51. First flight of the year.
That's pretty neat little airplane.
Yeah, I kind of like it. It wasn't a bad deal. I got it for 80 bucks.
And what is it?
It's a Ultra MiniStick.
Ultra MiniStick.
They don't make them any longer, I don't think.
The plane was kind of hidden.
Yeah, it was actually sitting out in the auction stuff.
And he looked at it and saw a note. I looked at it, and I mean, from a distance, but I didn't catch that note. And he walked over and actually looked at it and said, "See me at table so-and-so." He found the table and made a deal with the guy.
Yeah, so Mike, if you're watching this video, thank you, sir.
Oh, you got a video going. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
The only thing I don't like about it is the skid on the back. I like a tail wheel a little better. But that one seems to be working better than most I've tried.